All right, let's talk about mortgage rates and why and how they move. It's not as complex as most people think, but it is a little counterintuitive or the exact opposite of what you really think it would, how it would actually play out. So, mortgage rates are tied to how mortgage bonds trade on Wall Street. And bonds react to economic news, good or bad. They basically follow a lot of inflationary data in economic reports. So if you have a lot of good economic news, then that generally means your bonds are increasing in yield. So think of it like a teeter totter. Your teeter totter's level. All of a sudden, you put one person on one side, it's going to raise the other side up. So if you have a mortgage bond that's dropping and losing yield, that's going to push mortgage rates up to offset it. The exact opposite is true. If you have a mortgage bond that's increasing in yield on a given day, that's what's going to drop mortgage rates down. So, again, the increase in yield is what pushes mortgage rates down. So, when we look at these charts over here, you're going to want to see this upward trajectory because that upward trend and the green bars continue to go up is the higher increase in bond yield, and as a result, that's pushing mortgage rates down. When you see the red marks, that's a day where you got your teeter totter again and your bonds lose yield. That's got to push the mortgage rates up. So it's as simple as a teeter totter. If you got bonds increasing, that's pushing rates down. If you have bonds dropping in yield or losing yield, that's what pushes mortgage rates up. It's as simple as that. And they follow inflationary data and economic news. It's that simple. Contrary to popular belief, the Fed does not set mortgage rates. Things in the policy, the monetary policy, can influence it from time to time, but there's a lot of times we can show you in the charts where the Fed's saying one thing and mortgage rates are going the exact opposite. When the Fed cuts or raises rates, they're affecting short-term rates. Anything that's a 10-year term or less, typically credit cards, car loans, short-term bonds, stuff like that. So you got to understand how all that comes together, but it all comes back to the mortgage bonds. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Have a great day.